Yeah, so what you guys gonna say? Money.
Hey, she came close to me, and my neck went bah!
Oh, you said your battery. Oh,
What? Shoot.
I don't even think it's gonna work anymore.
Just turn it on.
She broke it.
Oh,
It's not turning.
Mom, you should take it. Oh,
You have tape?
no.
You have tape?
it's broken.
The one I got for the control, I got it from my mom's house, but I left it back over there in the garage. I don't want to go back there right now.
It's gonna keep on breaking.
So what are you guys gonna do? What kind of video you guys want to do?
But we're gonna be doing the house tour first, and then later on we're gonna be explaining what's been happening for the past time.
Yeah.
Alright, so
And it has to
I'll
be-
go do the intro.
Dad, here's the goal. It has to be more than a minute. 'Cause this guy,
Hey, our first vlog, it didn't go right, okay? I was just trying half of the
okay,
Okay,
for
let's
some
start,
reason,
let's
no,
start.
for some reason,
Huh? Actually, I already started like a minute ago. I'm just filming you guys.
Oh. Good.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Oh, now you guys don't know what to say.
okay, you guys, we didn't know he was recording, so, if you guys are still watching, subscribe, share, and like at least. So, what we're gonna be explaining here is, it's gonna be our second vlog, and it's gonna be the house tour. First, we're gonna be saying why we stopped uploading and what's been going on. What's been going on?
Our parents have been busy lately. We don't have enough time. We've been in school.
Too much school, homework, everything.
Especially Vanessa. Look at her studying with her phone and her BB.
She's watching like YouTube, watching math subtraction.
Look how busy she is.
Man, like, she's
She don't know how to talk, but she know how to use the phone.
Okay, he turned 13 on December 18.
Oh yeah.
And he got a new haircut on Christmas.
Come on, Brian. We want to see it. Come on, Brian.
Your hair, bro, come on.
We're gonna get all those likes because of your haircut. Look at that. Oh.
Bald hair.
Fresh shave. Okay, and the difference for me is I got a haircut on Christmas Eve and I got glasses.
We got glasses.
Yeah. She's officially blind like me. We're both blind.
I've been having tests,
And-
exams, almost failed.
There's
but
no
I got it.
difference between her and she looks completely same.
No difference.
I'm a late.
I just grew and I need a
Hold
haircut.
up. We never told them, but she had surgery on her teeth.
Then both of them had surgery on their teeth.
And she
We then went
got,
to the dentist.
Brian just got his 2 or 3 days ago.
Yeah, I think.
I'm a lazy boy.
He's lazy as well.
I was born
Oh, we know.
Hey, but he was born smart.
even though lazy
He's
That's what he thinks. He's smart, but I don't know. I'm not so sure.
I'll show you my report card right now. Hey, I got straight.
Alright, let's silver teeth. Okay. We explained. Now it's time for the video, the house tour.
All right.
Let's start.
Let's get started.
Let's get started. Alright, first off, the fish tank. We got fishes. 1, 2, 3. Hold on, watch out. 4, 5, 6,
Here's some up here.
7, 8.
9.
A big one. 10, 11. And we got a big one down here.
It's what keeps the fish tank clean.
And we just finished washing it like a couple of minutes ago. Walking this way, the TV, studio, everything. Going in this room is my parents' second room. Right here, TV. Bro, calm down. Alright, now the closet, everything. And now this is an extra room, so we use it. As a,
Come over here.
we got directors.
And this is where we used to record our old videos. And we got the reckless baby. We moved it and we have a
We got the baby,
little baby.
Kimberly, and
And this is the room that they sleep.
Larva.
My ugly face.
And then
Okay.
the bed and everything. And then this is where we have all the storage in. Everything, pods,
Snacks.
sodas, more storage up
And
here.
here is where we're gonna be doing most of our videos.
Yeah.
Probably, we don't know. And let's go to the kids' room.
No, no, man. Whoa. All right, hold on.
Okay. Now my phone.
My room.
The boys' room.
My
The
room.
mess of.
Did I
So
get?
beautiful.
So beautiful, you know, guys. So beautiful.
She's been watching
So beautiful.
Endgame?
We're watching Endgame.
Show them your closet.
No, me close it. No. So this is the other storage. Where we have stuff in, the other stuff. Another closet where we have other more jackets.
Oh, this one.
Now the girls' room.
Wait!
You know, things. Watching our videos. You know, gotta watch our videos. Like, subscribe. You know, share.
Get that views.
Hell yeah, and views. All right, hold on. Closet, girls' closet. Clean. Backpack. Hold on. Next room. Do we need another room?
Kitchen.
No,
No, kitchen.
Bathroom. Hold on.
Everyone already saw the bathroom.
Turn it on. All right, this is the video Isel got most of her views on. Sadly,
105.
105. God damn. 105. Ah, what's up, bros?
Little
Little girl.
Laundry area.
Laundry area.
Here.
This is another door to go outside. Laundry. And then the kitchen. The kitchen. You know, storage.
Messy.
Bread. Where all the seasonings, everything goes in here. Coffee for my parents. And then the refrigerator.
You know, food.
You know, the food and everything. We have chairs up here for a reason because
Our
our sister, Vane, she always keeps on going up here and getting all the stuff from up there, especially. And then we have to put it up there.
Right there.
Another girl. And that.
Don't worry, we'll blur your face out.
Don't worry.
What
And then her again.
Mom.
Mom is at work. She's gonna come like at 11. Look, it's barely. It's 9 right now. And then outside. Outside. Water. Mopping.
Do not show our address.
This is the cars, our lights from Christmas. We still have to take them off.
Has a license plate. There is no license plate, liar.
The cars.
We got my dad's other car.
There's so much water because we just finished doing all this
But at
stuff.
the license plate.
Not all this.
And then
It's super dark. I'm scared.
we got our front garden.
Oh, his haircut. Beautiful. And then I'm not going back there, bros. I'm scared. I'm out.
I'm scared.
I'm scared, bro, for my life. I'm scared. No. Don't lock the door. Don't lock the door. Don't lock the door. No, don't lock the door.
I did it.
I'm in.
Wait, is there one more room that
I'm in.
the bathroom.
I'm in.
Can you make your sister love you?
And then the other bathroom. Bathroom. My parents' bathroom. All this stuff. What's that? Oh, that's cream for my dad and shampoo and all this.
Oh, I thought that was gel. Like,
I don't think you need that, bro, because you got no pelo, no hair. Hand sanitizer, keep them hands shiny. Toilet, and then I think we finished for now. Coco.
What's gotten into you?
Oh no.
no,
Okay.
one more thing you're forgetting.
Let's follow Kevin.
Something in our room.
Huh?
Da.
Oh no. Super clean, you know, the clothes, all the clothes, you know. Totally not looking down. The clothes, our thing,
Our controller.
the controller. I think we finished for now, guys. So, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Share so we can mute subscribers. And we're gonna start uploading daily. Not daily, but we're gonna upload.
One like equals one piece of hair going for me.
So, you guys, you know, we're gonna be uploading when our parents are off so that we could have space and time to think about what more videos we're gonna upload. So this is the end, guys. So if you guys enjoyed, please like.
Wait. If they like, it's one piece of hair going for me.
If you guys like, there's more hair on Kevin's head. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe. See you guys next time.